Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Vanguard Cash Plus and if it is FDIC insured. The short answer is yes, the Vanguard Cash Plus account is FDIC insured. While Vanguard itself is an investment firm and not a bank, it partners with a network of banks to offer this account. Your money in the Vanguard Cash Plus account is swept into these partner banks. This system allows for extended FDIC coverage. For an individual account, the coverage can be up to $1.25 million, and for a joint account, it can go up to $2.5 million. This is significantly higher than the standard $250,000 FDIC limit at a single bank. So, if you're looking for a cash management account with strong FDIC protection, the Vanguard Cash Plus account is an option to consider. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.